how to search and get a data sheet for bins for any IC for troubleshooting and repairing any device, any electronic device. This video is very important for engineers and students who would like to learn troubleshooting and searching for data sheets. So first of all, you have to collect all the items you need to which you need to add to search about, and then you will write data sheet for bins of IC number or IC number like 2072. This item as you see now while we are searching, and then you will get many websites. One of these famous websites is alldatasheet.com. You can search inside it. You can find what you need from the first time. You can search a lot or fetch many PDF files or links, but you have to try more than one time in Google. You can exchange the keywords, or maybe the spare part or the model number is too long. You have to put the main number, not the branch numbers, or not the serial number. If you have any problem, you have to correct it while you're searching. Like if you need in the previous window you are using the VPN, so this may lag you to reach to your information quickly. Then after you get the PDF, you can save it, download and save it, and print what is important, not all the PDF file. Or you can search inside this PDF file while you are fixing the problem, and now you can test every bin, the voltage, the ampere, every bin. There will be all data. Now you can try another IC. So as I told before, you have to collect all IC numbers in one paper using the glasses or the viewers, zoom viewer, and you can search inside. This is also very important and famous website, which is Musar. Musar is very important. You can search inside it. You can search in Google. You can search inside it. You can search in the subdomain like this: integrated ICs or integrated circuits ICs. Select its amplifier, its coprocessor, its logic gates. If it's, you can select the item and search inside it. Also, if they have any problem in the internet, you can fix. If the proxy, you can change the proxy, like put off the proxy server or the VPN, as we said before. So now you can search and search until you get what you need. Arrange your work, arrange these files, print what is important inside it, and prepare also your tools like avometer, all the screws, all the tools for the solid iron or iron solder. So can help you this data sheet to fix the problem and find the solution rapidly. Please press like on this video and share it with others. It's very important to us because we can appear in search engines like Google and YouTube. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. This is also another item. this is the 2072. There are two types. It's like one is of 8 bins and the other of 20 bins. Every bin you will watch or see what it's corresponding. It's a voltage, it's a VCC, it's output, it's input, it's connected to resistance, it's connected to capacitor, all. And the characteristics you can find for testing this device using oscilloscope. All. And all, this one is very important. This diagram is very, very important because it show you the this one. Yes, this one is very important because show you the pin numbers and what is connected internal in this IC. We also have equations. If you need to design some circuit, it will help you. Actually, it will help you if you need to design any product or any electronics. Please like, you don't lose anything, and share the video with others. And now you try, if you don't get what you need, try with exchanging the keywords. Try for another one and then go back. If you don't get the data set of you need for this part, go ahead in the next part and search about it, and so on. And sign what you don't get, and you can come back after 5 hours or 6 hours or 1 day or 2 days and search inside your same Google Chrome or Firefox, the same browser, because he had AI built in the Google search and know what you need and know what you are searching. So to remember you and try to get you what you was trying before. So and if you don't get any, you can use other search engines in the AI engines like ChatGPT or DeepSeek. You can go and search in DeepSeek, Gemini, ChatGPT, and Black Box. All these are AI engines, can help you. You can do conversation with these AI engines. It's not like Google. You can continue with conversation. If he give you faraway data, you can ask some question or tell him to ask you some question to be near the good data or the suitable data. As you see here, we are using ChatGPT, and we will ask him to find the PDF file for the data sheet of the IC blah blah blah. النمبر بتاعه اللي هو 3 5 مثلا ال 3 5s, and in same time we can search in another one. You can search in same time in DeepSeek and search on the same time in Gemini, and يعني ايه you can compare between result of ChatGPT and DeepSeek, and the suitable one you can continue with it. Continue. Sometimes ChatGPT is not working. It's heavy or it's loaded, while DeepSeek is faster. So continue with DeepSeek. As you see here, ChatGPT is not good, not working, or there is some load on it. I go to DeepSeek and it's fast, as you see. The result is very good, and he don't give me the PDF file, but he give me suitable data. He told me that these are very famous and important website to search inside it, and moreover it give me, as you see below, websites for conversation, for community with electrical and electronic engineers. So if the machine not reply you, you can ask technicals, human technicals in the supporting website like the electric stack exchange or electronic stack exchange, like this one. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Press like, you don't lose anything, and share the video with others. And thank you for watching.